Okay, so this is a room tour at the Travel Lodge, London City on Middlesex Street. So you walk in, we've had 4 people in this room, 3 adults and a child, and the child is 15, so practically 4 adults. So you walk in, you've got your put your coats up, or whatever, on there. Some space with some hangers, teas, coffees, which we haven't used. Your towels are normally there, a little bit of a place under there, extra bedding, a chair, fridge, a smallish fridge, but enough for some bottles of water. And like I say, these are the beds, the single beds, and then the double bed there. Very comfortable. There are literally, I think this hotel's been upgraded recently, and there are USBs, C's and everything, that all the letters that you'd need. Some over there, some there. They're there absolutely everywhere, so plenty of charging options. And then the bathroom. Oh, it's small, but exactly what you need. You don't need it to be huge. Shower was okay, nice and warm. And yeah, so that is the Travel Lodge, London City.